Greetings, explorers! Today we set off on an adventure to explore the unique features of Vis Island in Croatia. Its remoteness means the island is not connected to mainland water pipes, yet it still has drinkable water. Get ready to travel back millions of years as we uncover the secret behind Vis Island's fresh water supply. 250 million years ago, during the age of the dinosaurs, a period we geologists call the Triassic, our island did not yet exist. The supercontinent Pangaea began to split, gradually shaping the continents we know today. Numerous submarine volcanoes emerged, and thick salt deposits accumulated in shallow seas. From what is today's African coast, a small submarine continent named Adria detached, beginning its journey that spanned millions of years towards Europe. On Adria's seabed, carbonate shells of dead marine organisms deposited over time, forming a thick platform of carbonate rocks. These rocks overlaid the salt and volcanic rocks, pushing them deep into the Earth's crust. After nearly 200 million years of travel, Adria finally reached Europe, colliding with it. This powerful collision bent and uplifted thick rock layers, forming mountain ranges that we recognize today as the Dinarides, Velebit, and Biokovo. Rainfall and seawater slowly dissolved the carbonate rocks over thousands of years, thus expanding and deepening the fractures to create underground reservoirs of water. Just a few million years ago, a deeply buried sleeping salt giant named Diapir awoke, powerfully surging towards the surface. This formed the salt Diapir, the guardian of Vis Island's underground fresh water. Picture this: our giant, the salt Diapir, forms an unbreakable barrier, preventing seawater from infiltrating the fractures, where we store fresh water underground. This is because the salt Diapir is impermeable. To access the fresh water trapped deep within the carbonate rocks, people drilled wells in Korita and Pizdica 60 years ago, from which water is still pumped out for Vis Island's water supply system today. However, our Diapir needs our help. The island's fresh water supply depends on rainfall, which is decreasing due to climate changes. If we use up our freshwater reserves, our hero, the salt Diapir, will lose its power and will be unable to prevent seawater from entering the natural underground reservoirs. How can we help? Let's save water whenever we can. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Avoid showering at the beach. Use rainwater collected in rain barrels for watering the garden, and don't forget to tell your friends about the importance of conserving water. Rainwater is the only fresh water source on the island of Vis. Together, we can become water guardians of the island and help our giant, the salt Diapir.